by Ryan. This is a dangerous system. Possible risks include damaging winds, heavy rainfall, storm surge, rough seas, mudslides, and flash flooding. The satellite appearance of Gilma has decayed a little more since the previous advisory, although a cloud-filled eye is still present. The various objective and subjective satellite intensity estimates are in the 80 to 100 knots range, and the initial intensity is thus reduced to 105 miles per hour, 90 knots, in best agreement with the estimates from SAB and CMSS satellite consensus technique. The cyclone remains an environment of light shear with good anticyclonic outflow in all directions. The initial motion is now 275/8 knots. Gilma is slipping west of the axis of the deep layer trough near the west coast of the United States, and a ridge is expected to build north of the cyclone during the next few days as the trough lifts out. The track guidance is in good agreement with a general westward or just north of westward motion through the forecast period. However, the guidance has again shifted a little southward, and the official forecast track will again be nudged southward. While the guidance is in good agreement on the direction, there is a notable spread in forward speed between the faster GFS and the slower ECMWF. The new NHC track lies near the consensus models, which split the difference in forward speed between these two models. Gilma's more westward motion is keeping it over warmer water for a little longer in the short term, so little change in strength is likely during the next 12 hours. After that, the hurricane is expected to cross the 26 degrees Celsius isotherm in about 36 hours while moving into a drier and more stable air mass. This combination should lead to gradual weakening, and the rate of weakening should increase after 48 to 60 hours when Gilma is expected to encounter westerly shear. The new intensity forecast follows the general trend of the intensity guidance with a faster rate of decay after 48 hours than seen in the previous forecast. The forecast still calls for the cyclone to degenerate to a remnant low by 120 hours.